Hi everyone, James here. This is the final reveal of mine and Elwood's buddy build. We did the 1/72nd scale Academy Tempest Mark 5. I did the second option, that was Wing Commander Evan D. Mackey's SN228/EDM of 122 wing in May 1945. It's sort of accurate to his aircraft with a bit of rule bending. As I read, he liked to keep his aircraft clean, but I weathered it and chipped it a bit. There was an emblem on the back of the tail which I didn't add, but I did add the Wing Commander's marking to the front with his kill score. I used your idea, Al, where you painted on the walkway markings instead of the decal, as it looked flat. What I did was put some masking tape over the decal itself, then cut around the decal on the masking, then peeled off the shape and then added that to the model, then painted it black to give it that textured look. I think in your video, I can't remember exactly, but you masked off and then got rid of the inner bit and left the stencil bit instead, and then painted it, which I thought was a good idea, so I used it on mine also. Just want to say also thank you to Al for messaging me and asking if I wanted to do a buddy build with him. I hope to do another one in the future, and same to anyone else if they want to do one with me. My email is on my YouTube channel, the information bit, it's on there, or send me a message on one of the videos and I'm quite happy to do a buddy build with you. And thanks for watching.